let's start this process by testing our app on a development store. So I am here at the test app page and I will select this development store. And I clicked on install app. And it will redirect me to this page. And here I can see what kind of data permissions I am giving to this application. And then I am clicking on install. And I am successfully redirected to the admin panel for our app Let Them Find. First thing first, we need to sync all the products we have in our store to the application. I clicked on the sync button here. And then it will warn me that the sync process has begun. And then shortly, I will see how many products indexed and how many images indexed in here. Yes, this syncing button will be a one-time process, and afterwards, all of the syncing products will be automatically handled by the webhooks. And after making the initial installation, in order to have an effect in our store, we need to go to the customization page in our development store. Here, I will click on Online Store, Themes, and Customize. And here, there will be a few things that we need to do. Like, first thing is to open in app embeds for the search button here and predictive search. And also, we need to go to the search page. And here, we need to add a ad block to our template. Like here, I've already added the search and filter block. And I also disabled the default search because I don't want the both search results to be shown in our web page, in our store. And then after that, we need to also open the product recommendation in the product detail page. Like here, in the product information block, we included recommendation block from our app. And then we are all set. And now we can test it on our development store. When I click on the search button, I can write something here, or I can upload an image, and then I can see the products that has images that is similar to what I have uploaded. I will make a search with the term kahve, which is coffee in another language, and then I can see the results here that is fed by our app. And also we can see the filters and facets here. And then I will click just one example products here. And then I can see the product recommendations from our app as well. We are seeing the similar items, and also we are seeing just for you items. For this setup, they look like very similar things here, but it is perfectly normal because our user for this app just made one interaction. There is not so many things to make a personalization, but when the store's user makes some interactions, they can see some more personalized results here. And then we should go back to the admin dashboard because we are also providing some merchandising and search rule management here. Let me refresh this page. And then we can manage synonyms here, like we can say to the system, to the app, that if a user make a search term called kahve, we may want to act the system like it was actually coffee. And then we updated the synonym list for this store. And also, we may want some products to be shown after some specific query terms, like if a user make a search term for red, I may want these three products to be shown specifically. And then also we can create some redirects, like if a user make a search for privacy, we may redirect them to this page. And also we can override recommendations, like when a user view these products, we may want user to see these products as the recommendations. And also we have a little dashboard here, like we are providing an overall search conversion rate, and we are providing it for the daily basis, and also how many recommendations clicks we got, and then the top search terms, like which term got how many search, etc. And then we also have zero result rate, and we want this to be always zero. And we are also showing daily basis recommendation impressions and clicks. And this is the overall of our ad. Let them find. Thank you.